Well, hello, it's Bears back. I got a lock for you today. I'm going to try to get into. It's by our good friend Chris Capune. It's called Split P. He pinned it on 6619. There's the bitching of the key. Looks like if I leave that one alone, I may get it with 5. It works perfectly smooth. It's in the handy dandy holder, and I'm going to use top of the keyway. It's a thinner, I don't remember what size this is, but it's under 40 thousandths. It might be 30. I don't know. I'd have to look at which one it is for top of the keyway. And it's in my Yale style. I really kind of like. And let's see if we can get in it. But the thing is, when you get a Yale, you got to get around to pick. So let's see what we got. So we get anything. Ooh, that feels funky already. My hand placement and everything. Let me start. That bow on that is just kind of strange. Let's see what we can get here. I don't know, I might be over tensioning. I'm not used to that flexing on the tension wrench on these. I used to be able to get a 40. I thought you could get a 40,000 in these things before, but apparently this one won't take a 40 thousandths tension wrench. So I just lost something there. Probably something I overset. Yeah, I don't like this tension wrench in here. It's just too flexy. I'm not used to it. So we'll see what we can do. I just lost something. Not good. Sorry. I don't know, I'm getting little clicks and stuff. Not sure what I got here. Everything's starting to lock up. May have overset too many, I don't know. May have overset something. It doesn't take much to overset, but ooh, feel like it got a big drop there. I'm not feeling anything else. Oh, got it. Oh yeah, got that bad boy. Woohoo! Okay. This thingy. Let's get this thing out of here. Oh, that was nice. Got it. Okay, it is definitely open. I'm gonna lock it up. Let's get this stuff out of the way. Where's where's my, here it is. The penny board. Get some more light on this. Let's try this one. Will it do it? Is it going to do it? I can't even see it. Where are you? You're moving all over the place. I don't think that's right. I don't like it. I don't even think this one's right. Yeah, it worked. Worked good enough. Key. Right way. Might help. Huh? Shim. Uh-oh. Wow, that thing's tight. But I know it's got a gap in there. Uh-oh. We may... Okay, I got it there. Went in there smooth. What the... see if we can work it underneath. I think we got it underneath. I think we might be golden here. Well, the pins are going to be on the other side. Yes. Be right here. And there we are. Let me tap these pins down. Wow. I did have to hit that back one. Look at that. Ooh. Maybe that's why it took me so long. I didn't play with that one too much. Doesn't look like there's anything else done to it. Alrighty. That B1. I've seen somebody else do this before, just throw them in their hand instead of try to beat them on the board. And I thought, you know what, it's probably easier just to do that. Now look. See? I think it's just easier to do it that way. And we'll take another look. Oh, it has some kind of like manufactured undercutting there, or maybe cutting for like a anti-bump spool or anti-bump pin. Front. Widest part. I think it's right here. Tweezers, tweezers, tweezers. I don't like using you guys if I don't have to, but I guess I will. Pin 1. Spring. This is what takes me so long, guys. I'm just not that coordinated. Pin 2. Move up there. Fine. We'll do you that way. And 3. I knew that was going to happen. I had it right down there. Oh, it's right over here. But we got to see how it went out. Thank you. Trying to be a little booger. Pin 4. There's a fun little lock. I think he told me he made this for everybody to be able to pick and enjoy themselves, if I'm not mistaken. You little booger. Where is my thingy McBigger? You're close enough. Get up out of there. Thank you. And go on the back for the last two. Sorry about taking so long, guys. I just don't like messing up. It's just, again, my nature. But I do it so often, you'd think, oh, you should be used to it. Come here. Oh, you little dog. And last but not least, ooh. Wow. That looks like a... I can't tell right now with my eyes and this... You stupid. There you are. Where's that? I don't see anything done there, guys. Looks all normal. Okay. Let's take a look. Of course, a lot of these are upside down. These bottom key pins, but you know that. We got a long spool in one. We got this kind of a T-pin spool. Very nice. And this bad boy, man, I mean that's it looks like an assa pin right there. I'd have to say that's what it is. Very cool. And all the springs are the same. So that's what's in Mr. Chris Capune's Split P. And thanks for pinning this up, buddy. And thanks for getting it out in the community. And everybody, thanks for watching. Stay legal and have fun. Bye.